Good morning, children. We are on chapter 7, yes? And that is factors and multiples. Yes, we are on exercise 7B, page number 110. Yes, children, in our last class, we have learned HCF by long division method. Yes, so now I believe that everybody is clear with HCF, highest common factor. Okay, now let's talk about lowest common multiples. Let's talk about lowest common multiples means LCM. What is the short form of lowest common multiple? LCM. Okay, first we will learn by listing method. Now children, what is listing method? You remember? Yes. In HCF we have taken out a list of factors, but here we will take out list of multiples. Now question comes, what is multiples? Okay, for example children, see here. 2 into 1 is equal to 2. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 2 into 3 is equal to 6. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. So children, here, this part is what? This is factors. Yes, these are factors. And the product, when we multiply two factors and whatever products we get, that is what? Multiple. So the answer is multiple. So here we are not going to take out factor. Here we are going to take out this multiples. Okay, we are going to take out this. This much is clear. Now, let's take first example. Our first example is 4 and 5. So, first what we have to do? We have to take out multiples of these numbers. Okay, now let's start with 4. Now children, let's take out multiples of 4. Now 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 nines are 32. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. So what is this, children? These are factors, these are multiples of 4. Now write multiples of 5. Right here. 5. Okay. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Yes, what is this, children? These are multiples. These are, children, I am repeating again. These are what? These are multiples of 4. Okay. And these are multiples of 5. Clear? This much is clear. Now what you have to do? You have to take out common multiples. Yes, you have to take out common multiples. First, pick out all the common multiples. Like 4 no, 5 no, 4 no, 5 is not there, 8 is not common, 12 is not common, 16 is not common, 20 is common. Circle 20. Yes. Now 24 is common, no. 28 is common, no. 32 is common, no. 36, no. 40, yes. Now, you can continue, but I think we are talking about lowest common multiple, that is LCM. We are talking about LCM. Lowest. Yes, it is not visible. Okay. Now, We are talking about LCM. That means lowest common multiples. Children, we always ask for lowest common multiple, not highest common multiple. Why? Because numbers never end. We cannot tell which number is the last number. Yes, it goes on like this only. So, we always talk about lowest common multiples in terms of multiples. Yes. So, take out what is the common multiples in both the numbers. So, 20 and 40 is common in both the numbers. Okay. You can continue further also, but it is not required. Why? Because we are talking lowest. Lowest means very first common multiple in between them. Okay. So, if I'll write here common, is it, yes, common multiples. What is common multiples? 20 and 40. Yeah. So, which is lowest? 20 is lowest. So, children, this 20 is lowest. Yes, 20 is lowest among 40 and 20. And 20 will remain lowest, children. Why? Because when you move further, the number will go increasing. The number will go increasing. It will be not getting smaller. It will be getting larger and larger. So the very first common number is the lowest common multiple. Is it clear? Now, so write here LCM of 4 and 5 is equal to 20. This is what? Answer. This is what, children? Answer. Clear? Now, children, let's take one more example. 6, 10, 15. 6, 10, 15. What we have to do, children? We have to find out multiples. First, please, let's write multiples of 6, 10, 15. Okay. So, 6 is here. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 sixes are 36. 6 sevens are 42. 6 eights are 48. 6 nines are 54. 6 tens are 60. Yes? Now, this is for 6. Now, take it out, multiples for 10. 10. 10 ones are 10. 10 twos are 20. 30. 40. 50. 60. 70. 80. 90. 100. Yes? Now write down 15's table or 15's multiple. 15, 30, 45, 60, 75, 90. Now, children, here you get if you will see, we got 30 and we got 60. Okay, we got first common multiple, that is 30 in both in all three numbers. Yes, so children, you can stop here. You can stop here, because when we talk about lowest common multiples, we are talking about very first common multiple in all three numbers. Yes, when we are talking about LCM of 6, 10, 15. 6, 10, 15, that means we are talking about very first common multiple. Yes, once you get the first common multiple, like here we got it 30, 30 and 30. You can stop here only. It is not required. Okay, so just circle it, all the common multiples till now, whatever you got. 30, 30 and 30. Next is 60, 60 and 60. Yes, but children, as I have told you, when we talk about lowest common multiple, that means we are talking about the first common multiple in all three numbers. Why? Because once, if you will move forward, you will get bigger numbers. You will get bigger numbers. It will not get smaller. It will go on increasing. Okay, so we can stop after getting first common multiple. Okay, so what I am going to write here? LCM of 6, 10, 15 is equal to 30. This is what? This is our answer. Clear? So children, this is how we take out LCM by listing method or by multiplication table. Is it clear? So this is all for today's class. Thank you. Stay blessed.